Hi everyone, I'm Alexei, product manager at Broken Build, and today I'll show you how to read velocity chart from our Agile Reports and Gadgets chart catalog. First of all, you see metrics. The first group of the metric is commitment metrics, initial commitment and final commitment, which shows you the amount of work at the end of the sprint. Here we have scope changes metric, added work, removed work, estimation change. In the completion group, here is not completed work from the initial scope, and completed work from the final scope. For every metric, you can enable and show the average line, which will show you the amount of work you can plan on the next sprint to be more precise in your forecast. To additional analyzing, you can enable additional averages and see them on the chart. If you want to see not only average for calculated based on all sprints visible on the chart, you can go to settings on the chart tab, find average type, and change it for 2 sprints, for example, and you'll see the average line with dots with which are plotted to average for 2 neighborhood sprints, so you can see the dynamics of the metric. To investigate more about specific issues which was in different sections in the sprint details, you can click on it and see the detailed view of all issues in the sprint, which were completed, not completed, added during the sprint, and removed from the sprint. So now you have all tools and instruments to analyze your team velocity. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Look for other topics in the tutorial section on the Agile Reports page in your Jira.